Is your TikTok microphone not working on your iPhone? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Disconnect the Bluetooth devices. After trying these basic settings, now try the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. First, open up the App Store. Tap the search icon. Type check my device on the search bar. Tap the install icon, then tap open. After that, tap allow/don't allow. Scroll down, now tap microphone test. Tap on the screen, now tap on the record icon and try to record your voice. And then tap on the save icon to save your voice. Now tap on the play icon to check. If it plays your voice, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it's not working, that means there is a hardware issue. You have to go to customer point. Before that, you can try these advanced settings. Solution 2. Check microphone permissions. Open up the settings app. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the privacy and security option. Now scroll down again. After that, tap on microphone. Make sure to toggle on the TikTok here. Now restart your iPhone and then check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, solution 3. Turn on TikTok microphone. Go to the settings app again. Then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the apps. Now find the TikTok app and tap on it. Turn on the microphone from here. Solution 4. Clear TikTok cache. Go to the settings again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Hope this helped fix your issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Have any questions or video suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.